Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and it's just this, we're not engaged with the upper band anymore, but it's just this slow bleed to the upside. They took it down yesterday, down to 41.01.5 on the Johnson & Johnson vaccine pause news. And really all we saw after that, let's go to the hourly chart. I mean, here it is right there. Is you saw it hold the round number 4100. You saw a rejection to a couple of higher lows, and as we got back into the regular session here, it just kind of based for the majority of the day. It held that key area, which was that hourly mid band. We talked about that yesterday. Turned it into support and then up and over the top. So we've had some boring days in the room before. This was definitely top 5. I mean, literally all we did with the day was we got long in the morning around 1725, 1750, 1775, and then we waited. We sat around and waited. And the key to this tape for us has been to get into there aren't many opportunities every day, but to sift through the nonsense and get into one that basically gets you out of the zone of all the chop. So we chopped in the area of low 20, mid 20s, high 20s for the majority of the day, right in here. So your 11 o'clock candle had a high of 26.5 and a low of 21.75. That's exciting. 10 o'clock, same, 25 to 21. So it's jammed, basically, was jammed in a 5-handle box for 2 hours. They took it up and back a little bit, 26 to 20, so they expanded it from 5 handles to 6 handles, riveting. So and then here, you started to see a little bit of the breakout. They took it back to 1975, up to 27, and then up and over the top. So with us being long in the 17s, we sat there for 3 hours and waited for the thing to pay on our middle and our runner, which is the much better way to go than saying we're stuck in a 5-handle box. Let's see how many trades I can take in this 5-handle box because I want out of the box. Well, I get that you want out of the box. I want out of the box. That guy over there wants out of the box. But nobody's getting out of the box. You know why? Because price isn't ready to get out of the box yet. So calm down. Go get some coffee. Settle down. And price will go when it's good and friggin' ready to go. That is much better strategy than taking a gajillion freaking trades over the course of 3 hours. And I guarantee you a lot of people tore themselves up midday doing just that. Just that. So we end up grabbing a decent middle as price broke out, and then we didn't take 20 on the runner, but we took 17. We tried to shorten into the end of the day to see if 34, 35 wanted to convert to the downside, but they just couldn't get, and they still haven't been able to get anything going below 30. So as we get into today, you got a lot of support at 30. You see the hourly mid-band, lifting up in the 33 area. Just another consolidation overnight, but we just continue to rinse and repeat to all these new all-time highs. So we'll see what this thing wants to do today. You've got hourly mid-band 33.30, volume weighted average price 35, proprietary moving average comes in 37, 36 and change 5-minute mid-band. So really 33 to 37 has a chance to be another box if it wants to be. And if it sticks in there, if it stays in there, less is better. Less is always better. Overtrading, churning commission, driving yourself nuts to the point where you give up, and then it moves. Right? You give up, then it goes. Don't do that to yourself. Okay? All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.